Hello, this is Chase for my final project related to the Zork text-based adventure game. And basically, just to say the whole theme of what this um, text-based adventure game is about. This is about a series called Fancy Freddy's. Probably heard of it, but yeah. But first, I'm gonna go off with. I do have the class file, and I have the other file that helps with more of the coding that I will explain in just a minute. But anyways, start. So first we have the string variable to grab the user input, which of course it will grab our name, which you can actually put your name down because first name will, which of course right here it will ask you your name, saying hello fellow employee, welcome to the pizzeria. What is your name? And of course, you write down any name that you want. It doesn't even really have to be a name. Probably just be like numbers or something. But as you can see, I meet the requirement of 15 rooms, and it is also in the array. Which, if we scroll down a little bit more, see this whole section of text. So we first have the stream. Okay, well, first ignore that, but but the room array, which always starts at zero, this tells the direction the player can and can't go. Of course, -1 means you can't go, but 2 means you can go to that direction. Which, as it's set up right here, we have the directions it can go. If we Since I went over to the other code, this tells where the player can go. Which, as you can see, 2 over here stands for U or up, which means the player can go up, but it can't go down, left, or right. But there's probably a little bit more to this print inside of parentheses than you see. It will also read out the name of the location where you are, but also a description, which that will lead up to here. It will say the description of what is around you, what is basically where you are, and that goes the same for all of the other rooms that happens. Which, of course, there is a way to quit the game if you just type in leave. But but also when you um before you before you say up, down, left, right, it will, of course, right here it would ask you in which direction do you wish to travel, and of course this will pull up the player's response, and it will also clean this console.clear. It will also clean up the error, so it's not just like text; it's just building down, like old text just staying there. It can actually just be cleared, so you don't have to look at that. And there's more to the code when it goes to up, down, left, right, and which we have the if user input up, which also equals u, and room array room number up equal is basically greater than -1, and same that goes for down, left, right, which of course, like I've said before, if it's -1, it means you cannot go in that direction, which it will actually say a text if I scroll down a little bit more right here saying you can't go that way, stay on course. And console color will will basically make the text red so it pops out more. So it's saying as a fair warning but of course the text will return back to white, so it doesn't continue leaving the text at red. And which also, if you go to a new room, it will say you are here, plus the name of the location, plus what you see, and it will tell you what you see, or the description I put into this game. So before I press start, I made a chart, basically a map telling where the player can and can go. If you look right here at the plus sign, you see a 2 at the top and -1s at left, right, and down. This basically will show where the player can go, which of course the blocks would connect to each other, showing that you can't go except for 3 locations. Means you can't be in Pirate's Cove and then go to the kitchen. It will add like a barrier. Same thing with game room to the main shop, and same thing with the stage to the office. Basically, it's basically not trying to make a scene like, oh, this building is just one big room. It will basically act like, there's hallways, there's walls, coming in between those rooms. But anyways, enough of that. Let's press start, which I'm not going to show you every possible situation or every location you can go into, but I'll show you a few examples. Which, of course, right now it says, hello, fellow employee. Welcome to the pizzeria. What's your name? I will type in my name. Press enter. You are here. Parking lot. What do you see? You are standing in a gloomy vacant parking lot. You are right outside the pizzeria. You better move fast. You never know where Freddy is hiding. Chase, in what direction do you wish to travel? Of course, I could say left. And as you can see in bright red, you can't go out of way, stay on course. And of course, it will repeat where you are and ask which direction you want to go into. So, as from the chart up here, I can go to 2, which is the entrance lobby. So if I just say up, it will take me to a new area. And of course, if I just say left, prize corner, up, Pirate's Cove, right, main party room. Let's give that a few more examples. If I say up again, on main stage, but if I say up, can't go that way, because as we can see right here, stage to office does not work as shown by the X's. Anyways, I think that's it for my final project. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.